Hello everyone, here is the BTS Global Official Fan Club Army Membership Kit. I just received this today. I ordered it from the Weverse Global Fan Club website. Well, actually, it's an app. Ordered it about a few months ago. It finally came in today. And here it is, the box. So it came in a shipping box, and now this is sort of an outer protective box. So let's look what's inside. Oh, it looks like this is my official membership card. See, it has my name on it, along with my ID number. Very nice. And a little envelope for my card. So let's open the box and see what's inside. Very nice. They protected the kit. And in it is, looks like a photo book. Army.zip. Their theme this year is fairy tale. Last year was cinema or movie. So here is the art book or photo book. And should I open this first? Let's go ahead and open this one first. Really lovely, high quality photos. Once upon a time, there were 7 boys. Guess I'll look at this a little closely later, but let's thumb through it very quickly. Wonderful. It even has translations on there. Really nice. It's in both Korean and English. So this year in the Army Fan Club, you were able to buy just the basic membership. Then you had to pay a little extra for the membership kit. And then there's a third level where you could get a quarterly membership box. So I would say this is level 2, where you get the membership and the kit shipped to you. There was an option to do a just US club membership or a global membership. I chose the global membership. And actually, maybe I should have chosen the US one, but by the time I had ordered it, it was too late and I couldn't cancel. So this has a few stats on them and a few other pages and some artwork. So there's the photo book. Next is this box. So let's see what's in this box. Here's a little army pouch and a book lamp. Let's look at the pouch first. So the pouch looks like there is a postcard in here. Here's the pouch. It's made out of a thin plastic, a little zipper on top. A little user guide. I think this is on how the lamp works. And this looks like a magnetic bookmark. Very nice. I bet the other three on this side. Yes. Very cute. And photo cards. Let's see what the photo cards look like. RM, Jin, Suga, J-Hope, Jimin, Taehyung, and Jungkook. On the back has a little silhouette of them. Still following that fairy tale theme. And let's take a look at the book lamp. Looks like a lamb. Okay, let's take it out. Might not have enough time to actually try it out, but let's see. Oh, this is cute. And there's a little light in the back. I'll have to come back and show you guys how the light works. But this is made out of nice tin or metal, and I'm assuming it lights up. So I'm looking forward to showing you what that looks like later. Thank you.